Hey, what's up guys, it's just Flo here and welcome back to another tech tutorial video on the channel. So in today's tech tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys how to connect your smartphone, your smartwatch and your earpod at the same time. Yeah, so this is feeling more simple and I'm not going to waste any much of your time. So before we head over to this tutorial, let's talk about the importance of connecting these three gadgets at the same time. So basically, when you get a notification on your smartphone, it's going to like notify you on your smartwatch, right? But where you are on a very noisy environment, you won't be able to notice that. So when your earpod is connected to your smartwatch and smartphone, you'll be able to get the notification sounds on your ear, and that's going to help you notice the notification, right? And another thing is that when you're making calls or when you want to make call on your smartwatch or your smartphone, you can just basically use the earpod as like be able to use the earpod to hear from the other person instead of using your smartwatch to like put directly to your ear, right? That one actually makes sense, although your smartwatch has like a speaker underneath, but you can just use this like a microphone and use the earpod to hear from the other person, right? So another thing you can do with this connection is that when you synchronize all these three gadgets at the same time, you can basically use your smartwatch to play songs and change songs, and use your earpod to listen to the song without moving around with your smartphone. Like, yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive on. First off, I want to start with disconnecting the smartwatch and the smartphone and also the earpod if possible. So I'm going to go to the setting of the smartwatch and click on setting here. So I'm going to click on system and reset. With that, we are good. So this is an iTest smartwatch though, the iTest Ultra. So I'm going to just connect it first, and after connecting, the next thing is to proceed with the tutorial. I'm going to click on English here. So as you can see, the smartwatch and the smartphone is now synchronized. It is now connected, so no stress on that one. So now both of these gadgets are connected. Now we have this earpod. So we are going to connect the earpod and the smartphone together. So that's what we are going to do right now. So I'm going to go over to, so this is the Oraimo FreePod Neo earpod, right? So when you open it, it shows a green light to show that there's now searching for Bluetooth, right? So Bluetooth is turned on already. So I'm going to tap and hold on the Bluetooth setting. So with that, I'm going to go and pair new device, and you have the iTest smartwatch and we have the Oraimo FreePod Neo. I'm going to click on Oraimo FreePod Neo and click on this and click on pair. And right now, our smartphone and earpod and smartwatch is now synchronized. Both of these gadgets are now connected, right? So this is very simple, like I said, easy peasy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video useful in any ways at all. Please don't forget that you can support our YouTube channel by subscribing and also turning that notification bell on. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's very important. Yeah, so share the video so that other people will be able to benefit from what you just acquired, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.